Last Latin track, let's go with arms. Side to side, side, side. Up and think. Exhale.
Vamos. Listo.
One more time. Side,
Salón,
side.
muchacho.
Up and think.
Esa mujer.
Very good. Two cha-cha-chas. Open march. Close. Yes. One more time. Two. Open march. March in place. Easy. Yes. Again. Cha-cha-cha. Open march. Cross back 2 times. And open. Cha-cha-cha. Open. Cross. Stop. Okay, come forward. Use the arm from beginning. Right, left, up and think. Open. Come on. Side, up and think. One more time. From the top. Head. Yes. Watch now. 3 hips. Right, left, go. You got it? Woo! Hip. Again. Cha-cha. Open march. And back with taps. 3. One more time. You got it. Easy. 3. Lateral walk. Walk. Slide and stop. Easy. Relax. One more time. Slide and stop to the side. Wait, now twist and move your head. Arms and hip. Yes. One more time. Twist. Use your nails. You got it? From the top, from the cha-cha. Come forward. Combination. Up. Hips. Go lateral. Woo! You got it. One more time. Come on. Up and think. 3 hips. Go. Very good. One more time, second part, and watch now. Go. Circular hips, give me 2. And stop. Lateral. Hips, circle. And stop. Yes. And now we have to turn. Turn and hip down and up. Down and up, down and up. Turn. Down and up. From the top. Cha-cha. Come forward. Combination. Taps. 3 hips. Lateral. Twist. And circular hip. Down and up. From the top. Come on. Cha-cha. Right, left, up and think. Taps. Give me 3. Go. Slide. Circle. Go down. Shake it. Last time for everybody. More. Very good. Bumps. Yeah. Slide. And turn. Down. Be ready for the final pose.
Salud.